Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to grill some New York strip, extra thick cut. We're going to keep it simple. A little sea salt, a little steak seasoning. We're not going to get really carried away with these. We may undercook these for some, we may overcook it for others. We're only going to about 138 to 40 degree internal temperature and bring them off the grill. Also, this is going to be the maiden voyage. I got some of the grill grates, which I had in my previous video. We're going to try those, and let's get some salt on this plate and get these steaks laid on them. We're going to let them sit like that for about 20 minutes. We've had these things out. They are room temperature. So, like I said, we're only going to add one more thing. That's going to be some of this simple Weber steak seasoning. Not getting carried away with these. The baked potatoes are in the microwave for just a few minutes. We're going to get those out. Olive oil, a little seasoning, put those in the oven. So we're having steak and taters. Alright, we've had our taters in the microwave for about 7 minutes. We're going to get them out here, rub them down with some oil, some seasoning, get them in some aluminum foil, and go ahead and pop those things in the oven. And do it that way. You'll see our steaks, the salt, and we'll clear some of that salt off of there before we go ahead and season those things. I just want it to soak on there, soak a lot of that in. So we'll last time I got them just a little bit too salty, so we'll clean some of that up here in a few minutes. It's got to sit there probably about 15-20 minutes before I worry about that. Let's get these taters ready to go. Alright, we got the taters ready. The oven is on 325. So in goes the taters. And they'll stay right there for a while. Meanwhile, we let these continue sitting. The salt's still doing its thing. Like I said, we'll clean them up a little bit and then re-season them before we put them on the grill. We'll get back to these here in a little while. Alright everybody, as I said earlier, we're going to get this grill lit. This is the maiden voyage for the grill grates. So the directions have been read, precautions have been taken, the grill is lit. We're going to get this thing up to temperature, get to cooking here in just a few minutes. Stick around. Alright, the baked taters are, well, baking. The steaks are prepped and ready. Garlic butter's ready. It's about time to go get these on the grill. Let's go see what these grill grates are all about. Alright folks, here we go. Steaks versus grilling grates, maiden voyage. We're going to put these on there at about a 45-degree angle. Try my hand at getting some nice grill marks on these things. Patting them in real good. We sprayed these grates down with some non-stick. We'll get them on here. Get a timer set. There they are. We'll be back with them in about 3 minutes. They've been on there about a minute and a half. Remember, like I said, we are going for about 138 to 140 internal temperature. Too done for some, not done enough for others. So, hey, everybody eats it different. Let's just see how these things turn out, and we might try a little something different next time. We'll leave them on there another minute and a half, and then I will flip them on and season them a little more, and we'll go from there. Alright folks, it's time to turn these over. Wish me luck. I'm filming with one hand and trying to flip steaks with another, so let's see how this turns out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This might be interesting. Mash those in real good. Scoop this one out just a little. Get this. Remember, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Almost threw that one down in the fire. Get it up on here. All right. Let's see what our internal temperature is, just for the sake of discussion. Let's check this thick one right here. We're on about 95. Let's check this one. 106. So they're running right around 100. We're going to leave them that direction for just a little while. Then we're going to flip them the other way in order to get it up around 130, and we'll get them off there and enjoy these things. And there it is, folks. I hit 141 internal temperature. Got a nice sear on the outside of it. Nice grill marks. Nice pink interior. I think I'm about ready to tear into this thing and see what it tastes like. If y'all enjoyed the video, this is my maiden voyage with the grill grates, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So I'm gonna get this thing eat, and then we'll get this video posted up, see what you all think about it. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. Feel free to comment. I think I'll rate the grill grates as a success. That was my first time with them. I done got the grill all stowed away, cleaned up, everything packed up, stored over here next to the 68. We'll get back on that project here in a day or two. I've been in gathering parts and pieces. You can see them all right there. I'll just tag this on to the end of the grilling video, either before or after the final message, but I'll probably already ended the other video at the time you're watching this. So anyway, here are the 68 sets in case anybody's wondering. I'll get back on that. I've got door parts there, heater core parts, fan motor, got radiator in the box. The plug wires, I got the wrong plug wires for it, so I got to get a set of those, but we'll get on that project, like I said earlier in the video. Have a good day. God bless.